Hello, welcome to Minecraft Decayed Reality on YouTube. If you're having trouble playing or understanding how it works, this is the right way, a tutorial for you. How to play Minecraft Decayed Reality movie. It's very simple, you just choose the available options that will appear on the screen like this. 2 options or 4 options. Whatever you choose will happen soon after. How does Minecraft Decayed Reality game work? This is a YouTube game created by us. With a studio's pictures, it's choice-based. A choice-based version of the film. You'll create your own story. You'll decide what author Luis Fernando 23 will do or follow a path. Got it? Good luck. It is mandatory to return to the game menu to continue.